Let's take one more exercise in SolidWorks sheet metal. So this is your drawing, dimensions in millimeter, inner radius 0.1 mm, material thickness 0.1 mm and scale 9:1. Okay, now look, we have here top view, side view, and this is front view and side view. And here we have one flattened view also. You will see this is our isometric view. Then there is one cross section B. This is the cross section. So we will start with this top plane, top view. You will see there is a one thick sheet. We will start with this sheet. 5.9, see here, these line. Now there is one dotted line shows this is the thickness of the sheet and which is going inside. So we will create from outside to outside, 5.9. Then there is one curve. This curve radius, okay, it's not shown, but the outer distance 13.5. Then there is two circle, 4.5 diameter, and this curve and arc circle center point is same. Okay, then this side view you will check 10.83. So let's do this. Thickness 0.1. So I am going to start with top plane sketch. Now let me draw activate circle, and here draw two circles. Okay, right click, select. Now I am going to select one corner rectangle, and let me draw one rectangle. Fine. Again I am going to start with center point arc. Keep this point and click somewhere here and draw one arc up to here. Similarly, again choose and start center point, click here. Now click on this line and move cursor, and again click on this line. Okay, now this is how we created. Now let's define. Now this is going to be 5.5. Now overall length 5.9. Okay, now we have to define center point. So from here to here, the center point equals to this one divided by 2. Okay, now see, radius let me define 4.5. Okay, now press and hold shift key, select both the circles, make relation equal, important. Okay, let's do one more thing. Now here let me choose center line and draw center line at midpoint. Okay, now we have to create one important relation. Press and hold shift key, select this line and these two circles symmetric. This is important relation. Now define the 10.83 and outside to outside, press and hold shift key and select outside to outside 13.5 millimeter. And select this one and this one equal. See, activate here trim entities, power trim, just trim unnecessary lines. Press and hold left mouse and drag. Okay, now again press and hold shift key, select center line and select these two outer curves. Leave cursor and you will see symmetric relation. This is important relation, and let me do for this. Okay, now see, this line is vertical. Now it seems fully defined sketch. Now right click, exit, and right click in any command manager tabs, activate sheet metal. Go to sheet metal and Activate base flange tab. Now see, now I'm not going to use this sheet metal also. I'm directly apply sheet metal parameters, thickness, K factor 0.5 and thickness going towards down. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing, edit feature, edit appearance, and let me apply this dark color so that it will be more visible. Now see 6.5, there is one flange 6.5 and thickness inside you will see on from top view. Then there is one more flange without thickness, bend thickness 1.1 with thickness 1.2. From here you can observe. So I am going to activate edge flange and going to select the bottom one. Just move cursor downward, select both the side. Now here radius is too big. So uncheck default 0.1. This is going to be inner radius. Angle 90 degree bend. Now length 6.5. Now start condition dimensions measure from outer virtual shaft. Okay, it means the center point of both the edges. Now here material we need inside. Now look, material going to be inside, and also let's check the corner. Now look, activate custom relief and don't go for rectangle, go for tear and tear rip. Okay, look, again fillet. I'm going to select outer edge, drag outside, select this side. Similarly, disable default radius 0.1 R radius, angle bending angle 90 degree, keep flange length 1.2 because this is going to count from inside. Material inside, see we keep material inside. If we keep outside, see it moves downward, but according to dimension this is one, and we don't need to define any relief angle here. Okay, now there is one cutout, you will see 1.25, 2.75. Then there is one more cutout 2.5 and 3 millimeter, and this is up to thickness because we are going to add one flange here. So I'm going to select front plane, sketch. Now activate line tool. Go back to the point and see the line is converted into arc. And close. Now draw one center line. Center line is important because it's going to define. Now if you move, you will see this this yellow dotted line. This is the center point of this line. We will use this line as a reference. Vertical, smart dimension. Now press and hold shift key, distance from outer edge 2.75 and radius 1.25. Okay, this is still not defined, so select this point tangent. This is fully defined sketch. Now go to sheet metal and select extruded cut feature, and I want to cut in both sides. So start condition keep same, end condition go through all both. Say yes. Look. Similarly again for this face, sketch corner rectangle. Because I don't want to cut this thickness, I want to cut from here. So the length is going to be 2 point. Okay, let's define letter. Exit, smart dimension 3 and distance from outer edge 2.5. But we will not cut upper thickness. Okay, again the same thing we have to apply center line. Move cursor and you will see this yellow dot, it's midline. Move cursor to this edge and you will see center point. So place at center point, press escape key to out. Now make this line vertical. See, this is fully defined, this sketch. Now again come back. Extruded cut. Okay, we are going to cut through all. Okay, now here look, we did not cut thickness. This thickness is still there. Now let's make this V shape. Just zoom in 2 millimeter. Then there is one section view B. This is the relief cut 0.1, height 0.2, and this is bending line. Okay. Then there is two circle, 1.5 diameter, 5.6 center distance. Let's do this. Select this face, sketch. Now activate line. And start from some, okay, let me do one thing. Create one line here. And I am going to select up to this line to this line. Now, select this line and this line. Collinear relation. Center line. Draw one midline to this line. Vertical midline. Okay. Because I want to use this line for reference purpose. Mirror entity. I am going to select these two lines. Copy mirror about this line. Okay. Let me close. Activate line tool and close. So that we have a close profile. Now, it's going time to define distance from here to here 0.1. Okay. Now this is going to be 2 millimeter. Okay. Let's drag this. Point 1. Look, this is fully defined sketch. Activate base flange and it is going to add up to thickness. 0.1 merge result. Look. Again select this face, sketch, hole. Let me draw one. Okay, we will use this line as a reference. 1.5. Escape. Smart dimension. This diameter, okay, 1.5 already defined. Okay. Draw one horizontal line. Make sure this is horizontal. Smart dimension. Now distance from here to here, if you move outside you will see 5.6 inch. Look, 5.6 millimeter. Activate extruded cut feature. Now here choose blind and here select link to thickness. See, this is going to cut only up to thickness of material. If you select check enable link to thickness, select right plane, go to features, mirror. This is the reference plane and what feature I want to mirror. So select hole and tab. Okay, look, the thing is created. Now there is a chamfer 0.345 degree. See, these flange have chamfer and okay, this is also a fillet 0.03, these two. And okay, let's add these two holes also 0.5, 6.25 and distance from outer edge here you will see 0.45. Chamfer. Go to sheet metal, corner break. Now here I am going to select chamfer 0.3 and let me choose directly this face. If we choose this face, it will detect these two corners. Similarly, I'll do for all the face. You don't need to choose edge. Now I'm going to add fillet. Fillet type constant size 0.3 and let me choose these two edges, upper edges. See, let me select this face, sketch. Let's make one center line, vertical center line. Again activate circle. Let me draw one circle and make diameter 0.5 millimeter. Press escape key to out. Again let me put dimension from here 0.45. Fine. Okay, now select both line and circle, click mirror entity. See, it is mirror. Now apply dimension, center to center, 6.25 millimeter. Sheet metal, activate extruded cut feature, and here make sure we selected link to thickness. Enable link to thickness. Front plane, go to features, mirror entity, and feature to mirror. Drop down and select cut, extruded cut 4. Say OK. See. Now go to sheet metal, choose flatten view. Look, this is how we make flatten view. Select this face, normal view, right click, and from here you can make export to DXF. Now let's save this part, any name, faces, loop. I'm going to choose sheet metal, and here what things I want to export. So hidden edges, no, bend line I want, sketch also, bounding box I don't need, these dotted lines are bounding box. Okay. Now see, now save this one. That's it. Exit. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.